What's up, guys? Your boy Kwame back with another episode of More Than a Screen Printer. It's been a minute. Yeah, so took a little break. I think this is my first long form video, about 10-minute videos since like May. Had a lot of stuff going on, guys, so I kind of took a break from screen printing and making things for people and making things for myself. If you follow my channel, you saw that I posted like small clips, but this is the first long form video that I've been doing since like May. Like I said, I had a lot going on, but we back now. So I'm going to get into a little bit of what happened later in the video. But today we are screen printing blanks for this photo shoot that I'm going to do. So in about 2 weeks, I got some friends that kind of been pressing me about, you know, getting my business together. And they said, you know, your business is not doing this because you're not marketing yourself. So they kind of they're forcing my hand at this point. So I got a friend that she set up a photo shoot for me to have some of my stuff displayed. So that's what we're going to do today. So I got a couple sweatsuits here, a couple sweatshirts, crew neck sweatshirts, and we're going to do some screen printing today on these, and hopefully they come out good so that, you know, my friends are going to be my models, so they're going to be critiquing all my work and stuff like that when the time comes for the photo shoot. But today's video is us screen printing some of my more original designs and some of the designs that I've started making early in screen printing. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Stay tuned for more. All right, guys, so I told you that I had a lot going on. Truth is, I went through a breakup. Me and my long-term girlfriend at the time, we broke up. It was a long time that we were together, and after the breakup, I kind of just wasn't motivated to do anything anymore. So I took screen printing. I just didn't have it in me to do it. I also was going through a lot at work, trying to figure out what I wanted to do professionally. And, you know, I found myself wanting to do screen printing, but I couldn't get myself up to do it. So that's the reason why I took a break. But we're back now, and I found my love for screen printing again. It really just took me to just get up and do it. And I think after I got up and I printed a few things, I started with just some of my basic designs. I had some blanks. I went to a store and just picked up some sweatshirts and stuff like that. And I was able to kind of get myself in the groove. Also, my friends, I got to give a big shout out to my friends. You guys know who you are. I don't have to say your names, but I really appreciate all the friends that I had in the time of need. I kind of was like neglecting my friends, not answering the phone for my family, my mom, dad, and stuff like that. So I had some friends that kind of, you know, like I said, they put a spark under me and they told me to get it together. So that's really what happened. But now I'm back. We're back, and we're moving. So here, I'm screen printing all the hoodies and stuff like that. They actually came out really, really nice. I can't wait to show you guys towards the end of the video. But that's what we're doing right now. I made in total about 5 sweatsuits, 2 brown, a black, a pink, and a navy sweatsuit. And they all came out really, really nice. I really like how each of one of them came out. I really, really do. All right, guys, there you have it. So we're all done with the sweatsuits, sweatshirts. Okay, so I got these crew neck sweatshirts here with my logo on it. I got the navy, forest green, black, and pink. I also got a couple of these sweatsuits. So I got brown, red, black, and pink here as well for my friends. I also have some just freestyle designs I decided to do. So we got this here with the bird in yellow and black, and I got just my logo all over it. I think that's pretty cool, and I got the Born Original right there on the back. And then I also have this design here that I did with like the light purple on the back of a navy sweatshirt with the logo small in the front. So I think these are some really, really cool pieces. I can't wait to do this photo shoot. I'm really, really excited. I need you guys to do me a favor though. Post some tips and tricks for photo shoots in the comments for me. I've never done a photo shoot before, so I don't know the first thing about what to do with my hands, what to do with my face, how to pose. I don't know how to do any of those things. So you guys leave some tips and tricks in the comments for me, and hopefully we get a chance to try them out. That's all I got for today. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Stay tuned for more Thin Screen Printer. All right, peace.